Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a desktop IT engineer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a desktop IT engineer? A desktop IT engineer, also known as desktop support engineer or IT support specialist, is a professional who provides technical assistance and support to end users within an organization. Their primary focus is on resolving issues related to desktops, laptops, and other computing devices used by employees. Responsibilities of a desktop IT engineer may include: number 1, hardware support, diagnosing and resolving hardware issues with desktops and laptops, printers, and other peripherals. Number 2, software support, installing, configuring, and troubleshooting software applications, operating systems, and updates. Number 3, user assistance, providing support to end users for issues such as logging problems, email configuration, and general IT-related queries. Number 4, network support, troubleshooting network connectivity issues and assisting the setup of wired or wireless connections. Number 5, security, implementing and enforcing security measures to protect against viruses, malware, and unauthorized access. Number 6, remote support, providing assistance to users remotely through phone, chat, or remote desktop tools. Number 7, documentation, maintaining accurate records of support requests, resolutions, and system configurations. Number 8, training, conducting training sessions for end users on IT best practices and guidelines. Desktop IT engineers plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of IT systems within an organization. They often collaborate with other IT professionals such as network administrators and system engineers to address more complex issues. Additionally, they stay updated on the latest technologies and trends in the IT industry to provide effective and efficient support. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a desktop IT engineer is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.